Hello everyone, my name is Ilia Schekaturov, and today I would like to tell you about what design engineers do. Let's start our presentation by defining who a design engineer is. Design engineer is a prestigious profession in any developed country. They develop mechanisms, tools, and structures necessary for production and consumers. In addition to developing new designs, an engineer can upgrade previously created products, for example, to develop a more productive machine or a modern car. So next we move on to the responsibilities of a design engineer. The designer's responsibilities typically include development of new products in accordance with state standards and customers' requirements, creation of design documentation and drawings, analysis of the effectiveness of developed product, calculation of the cost of production of new product, modernization of previously developed product. A design engineer must know and be able to do a lot. For example, he must know legislation and state standards, design system and methods, production capabilities, drawing rules, material features, climatic conditions, and other features during the operation of the product being developed. Be able to calculate the stability of structures and its durability, have experience in the relevant field, and much more. Well, now let me tell you about how the work of a design engineer goes.
Design, yeah, you just repeat all the time. Design.
An engineer receives a task to develop a new mechanism from an industrial designer or marketer. The segment specifies the requirements for the new mechanism, what parameters and characteristics the design should have. The design develops future products, taking into account the requirements for it, production capabilities, qualifications of worker, parameters of raw materials and materials that can be used, drawings and other working documentation describing the future products are created. As rule, design is carried out using computer-aided design CAD systems. Such programs include AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, Compass, and many others. Based on the developments, a prototype is created and tested. A prototype can be a mock-up or a model, a working prototype in which something will open, spin, etc. After testing the prototype created, it is already closer to the finished product that will come off the assembly line. The prototype is also being tested and refined. The development is being implemented into production. So at the end of my presentation, I would like to emphasize all the advantages and disadvantages of this profession. So the following advantages can be highlighted in the profession of a design engineer. Demand. Not a single production can operate without a specialist in this field, and a design engineer is needed at every stage, from the beginning of product design to its construction and testing. Good salary. The work of design engineer is considered highly qualified and is paid decently. Career. Design engineer with many years of experience often lead production complete or one of its stages. social significance of the profession. Design engineers are involved in all the devices that surround us, from household appliances to aircraft. This profession has always been necessary and prestigious. However, as in any other field, the profession of design engineer has its disadvantages. Large scope of work. A design engineer has many job responsibilities, from creating a design from scratch to demonstrating the finished product to managers. Responsibility. The design engineer is responsible for the quality and safety of the future product. Continuous learning. Specialists in this field learn throughout his work. Development is being improved, technology is developing. A design engineer must keep up with the times, constantly learn and improve his skills. Well, this brings me to end of my presentation. Thank you all for listening. If any you have questions, I will be happy to answer them.